It's another sweet day, and today we're hosting the Cutest lemonade giveaway. It was my son's idea to make a lemonade stand out of cardboard box, but that idea eventually turned into a full-blown lemonade party in our neighborhood. Our step 1 was to make a lemonade stand. It is made out of cardboard box, decorated with yellow and white paper. Ang amazing dito is yung 4 na beams na very sturdy out of the packaging of our recliner chair. And then we put a label, Elliot's Lemonade. I love it. This is the final look of the lemonade stand. Our next step is product development.
What are you doing?
For this set, siya talaga yung nag-squeeze. Kasi ginagawa pa lang namin yung recipe. Wash hands, wash hands. No, wash hands na lang, dear. Don't worry, hindi ito yung lemons na sinerve namin. Sarap. Nagkikreate pa lang kami ng concoction.
I'm making a lemon stand and also I'm making this.
Okay, what are the flavors of your lemonade?
Strawberry, mango, tangerine, and grapes.
So Elliot has an idea. By combining his lemons with a different fruity yogurt sinker, he can make different concoctions of lemonade. You open and then you cut it. Then it's time to put half only, right?
Yeah.
Cut. Can cut.
That's enough.
That's 2? Okay, nice. Then mix. Then taste. I'm excited for that. Taste it. I thought you didn't like it because you closed your eyes. So sour.
Good. Try.
I think you need more water.
That's enough?
Yeah. I know na maasim yung timpla ng anak ko kasi mahilig siya sa maasim. Pero matamis naman yung mga sinkers or yung jelly. That's good. What's that flavor?
Grape.
Grape.
Oh.
Oops, may natapon. Oh no. That's okay. What happened, baby? Tapos may fake tattoo you can use na it right nabasa now. din. Or do you want mommy to use it? Sayang eh.
There's plastic.
Diba you should use it on top?
There's plastic.
Remove muna. This one, tinapan na lang namin. Step 3 is to prepare your ingredients. This is almost a week after we developed our recipe and the same day of our hosting.
You're invited to my lemon stand.
Step 4 is invite your guests. I just made a simple video invitation using Canva.
Hello everyone. You're invited to my lemon stand. See you at 5 p.m.
And finally, set up your lemonade stand and enjoy hosting your lemonade giveaway.
Go, go, go.
Ito yung menu board niya na hindi na mabasa kasi hindi naman pentel yung pinangsulat. Elliot's playmates and friends, one by one, came over. Nakakatawa sila kasi pumila sila talaga. Oh, Elliot! Do you want to open na? Wait, we need to pre-work.
Grapes. Okay, so
Give pink. Give pink. No, baby. This one. The pink one. And then show it later na lang. Okay? And then
only
give it
one.
back later.
Only
Okay?
one. I want pink too. I want grapes.
Tangerine yan na. Tangerine yan. Isa mango.
I also grapes.
Mango mango.
Yes, I want. She doesn't know you.
Show it later, okay? Mango, that's mango.
I wanted grapes.
Okay.
Huh?
Great.
You can also have grapes. I'm not thirsty, you know.
Only one each, anak.
I'm not gonna make like that.
What?
I'm not gonna make like that.
Oh, sure. What do you think?
Make it good.
What do you think?
Line up.
What do you think about your lemonade?
You have to turn line up. Line up.
What do you think about your lemonade? Is it sweet,
Line
sour?
up.
Nothing.
Sour and sweet. Hello. What do you mean?
Sobrang mahangin lang kaya natapon yung isang pack ko ng mga yelo. Buti na lang may extra pa. Customers keep on coming.
Mango, strawberry, tangerine, and grape.
May grape pa isa, anak.
With my fire lemonade. I want to pick the lemonade. I want strawberry.
Okay, come here.
Strawberry. Wait, everybody,
Okay, go there. Go there, please. I cannot see you. Okay. Elliot's lemonade. Ang cute.
I'm going to Japan. Guys, it's the last time we're gonna meet Elliot. No. I'm never gonna come back. No. I'm going to come back. I'm still going to stay here for 2 weeks. I'm going to stay here for 2 weeks.
What are you saying, anak?
I'm not doing Elliot's lemonade.
I don't
I
understand.
order this.
Okay, you?
No.
I don't like it anymore.
It's here.
Massive. Mat, what are you eating?
Sandwich.
Where's your lemonade?
No, I'm too hungry. Over here.
Ay, basa.
That's good.
Good.
Sick burn. Sick good, guys. It's going to burn from the poop.
Okay. So, eat our ingredients, anak.
I found it. Only 4 more. So nobody else can eat.
Welcome to lemonade.
Welcome to lemonade.
It's okay. What I realized is yung timpla ni Elliot na maasim is hindi type ng mga bata. Gusto nila matatamis. Elliot, everyone.
Bro, dito.
He cannot, anak. Okay. To. 1, 2, 3. Elliot's lemonade. 1. 1. Okay, good job. Good job, everyone. Thank you for coming.
Wait, can I have a turn picturing them?
Sure.
Beautiful eyes.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Congratulations, Elliot, for successfully hosting a lemonade giveaway.
Family handshake.
Family handshake.